Okay, so this is my game called King of Car Racing. So you are gonna help me play test the game.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can start now.
My name is Rowan.
Okay.
Okay. So touch the screen. Play. So screen record. Okay. Story mode. Ooh. Now key. Oh, that's the victory.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. Defeated Beastmaster 1696. Okay, so
So do you understand the
yes.
so
So for the whole concept, right? Yeah, the starting of a game, yes, option. Yeah, so okay, I think this one quite good though. Like especially this bar to help them, also to help the people to know like the voice control and at which limit they add. And then for this one, is it like you press other side and here will be the song? Is it like a alert thing if the player don't know where to click then?
No. Okay, wait. So let me ask you. We play the game, right? So
Yes.
because I have lots of controls on the. So do you understand how to add all this work? Like this. You know what is this, right?
Yes, the pedal. You mean for not pad? How to say?
The brake.
The brake. Okay, so for okay lah. Maybe for me, cause I'm not really a car fan, so but I mean I confirm everybody that is a car fan or what they confirm know about all these things so one is not just a thing that like a boring stuff like just speed or something, but this one shows everything which is much how to say proof much more than a word lah, which mean like it's a icon, it's an item.
So it's like people just see then they will know.
Yeah,
That's
they
it.
see they will know like how to control and stuff already.
So then do you because this is a gear shift do you know how to control it? So wait, do you know what's a gear shift?
Gear shift.
Gear shift.
Oh, gear shift. Is it by the arrow?
You know, yeah, this is how you control it. So
Mhm.
you start from 1 and you press up, you go higher and you can also go downwards.
Oh,
So that's pretty much just what's my games.
alright.
Right, thank you for your time.